Hey y'all, Brittany here, aka T and Tendrils. Now, if you are an OG member of the TNT Fam, hey boo, I missed you. And if you are new, welcome. So nice to have you here. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you hit the bell, ting, so that you don't miss any of the tea that I'm spilling. Got it? Got it. Now, y'all, the streets, and by the streets I mean like YouTube, have been talking about this 3-row comb. Yeah. So big YouTubers like Z Marie Beauty, Hazel Goddess, Finally Amber, and Kimberly Sherrill have all reviewed this comb, and I've just been like, yo, what's the tea, sis? Like, why is it such a big deal? So lo and behold, I'm just walking through, the beauty supply store, and look at God, I found one, a pink one at that. Ow. And of course, I wanted to try it out for y'all and for me as well. Now, if you've been following me for a minute, you know that when I do my wash and goes, I am a shingle queen, okay? I pretty much don't do anything else but shingle. So when I saw the reviews that this comb could replace shingling, I was like, okay, sis, I see you. So yeah, I tried it out. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I did it, so stay tuned. So this is literally my first swipe with the comb, and I'm like, all right, got it. You just gotta figure out how it works best for you. But yeah, first swipe results are here. By the way, y'all, I'm using Alakay Naturals for this wash and go. Don't worry, I've got a full review of these products coming up soon. But in the meantime, check out one of my other Alakay Naturals videos and use my code Brittany15 on the Alakay Naturals website for 15% off. In terms of the comb, I found that what worked best for me is to not go straight down, but instead to turn it at an angle so that my hair goes over the side of the comb as well. Child Jesus himself put his foot in them curls, okay? On the flip side, sometimes the curls didn't come out touched by the feet of Jesus, so I had to shingle a few pieces of hair like you see here. Not the hugest of deals because this didn't happen every time, but it did happen, more than once. I think just with time and technique, it'll be better. Also, as you can see, sometimes the comb wanted to pick up pieces of hair that we had already done. So that's something I got to figure out too. Y'all, this is so satisfying to watch, if I do say so myself. Y'all, look how defined these curls are. I can't wait to see what this looks like when it dries, so make sure that you keep watching. So, what do you think? Actually, let me get a little closer so y'all can see. Honestly, the shrinkage was on 1,000. This was literally one of the first times where I had to take the blow dryer to stretch out my roots. So I'm not too fond of that, but I will say it did an amazing job of shingling. And that's why, there was shrinkage there, because the curl poppage was just on 1,000, okay? I liked it. I'll keep it in my arsenal. I'm not like gonna replace it with shingling, period, but it did cut down on my wash and go set time, so that's good. What do y'all think? Have y'all seen this comb? Do you want to try it? If I had to say something, I wish that the teeth were a little closer together. As you can see in the video, sometimes it didn't really rake the product down my strands as best as it could, and I think that's because the teeth can afford to be maybe a little closer together. I also wonder what this would look like in a metal form. Y'all know that when I use a pick, I use a metal pick, and I love metal picks, so I wonder what this would look like with metal teeth, But those are my thoughts on that. I hope this video was helpful. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on social media at Teeth and Tendrils. I gotta bounce, y'all. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.